Hey yo, what's good everybody? Fly Lopez here with another fly review tasted video, guys. Oh yeah, buddy. We need a thumbnail. There we go, guys. You guys see that? Look at the taste. Look at the flavor.
Can't see the flavor with the light. There we go. There's the flavor.
What's the flavor?
Fruity crisp flavor.
Okay, guys. This should taste like Fruity Pebbles. Let's give it a go. It has 25 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, 130 calories, guys. So I bought this at GNC. Shout out to GNC. Sponsor your boy. And let's get to the video. Let's get to the taste test, guys. I'm back to working out, guys. I've been going 13 days in, guys, of working out and running every day. Let's finish working out, guys, and doing some cardio, baby. Let's go, baby. Love you guys. Let's go, baby. Let's give this bad boy a taste. Boom. Always make sure it's not expired. December 22. Look at that. Let me show you guys up close. Let's give this a go. I'm gonna do it like this so you guys can see how it looks. It's clear, it's white. Okay, GNC. Okay. Water, casein. Okay, I can definitely taste. I can tell that it's water. Use whey protein. Contains milk. I feel like they didn't put enough milk in this. I like almond milk, but let's give it a go. Another one. I can definitely taste the fruity crisp flavor. I actually like it, guys. This tastes that's what it's called, lean protein, for a reason. It tastes really light. I like it. It's perfect. Because if they made it with milk, it would be it wouldn't be really lean protein. But wow. With milk, it would taste better, but man, this still tastes bomb. Guys, this still tastes bomb. My honest review, I think it's good, guys. If you're ever at GNC, make sure you try this out. This flavor is good. My friend got the cinnamon one. He said it was okay, but nah, this one's not okay. This one tastes pretty good, guys. $25 gram protein, maybe. So, like I said, guys, if you guys are GNC, try that flavor out. If there's a caramel one too, man, I would definitely get it. I'll get a caramel one. But would I get it again? Yes, I would, guys. If I'm craving, if I need protein in my system and I'm at the mall and stuff, that's where I bought it. At the mall, guys. I think it was $2.99 or something. Not bad of a deal, guys. So yeah, that's my honest review, guys. You're not leaving the flower, but before you do, subscribe, hit that like button, drop a fat comment, baby. Drop a fat comment. Just remember one thing, though. I'll be back, though. Yeah. Stay fly.